My name's Lachlan West. I coordinate the Tasmanian Merino Weather Challenge. We're here at the Campbelltown Showgrounds in Campbelltown, Tasmania. And yeah, we're here today with 12 schools that we gathered together from all across the state. And this is where they'll compete today to test what they've learned over the past 6 months of having their sheep on school farm.
My name's Ben Sculthorpe. I'm the Cert 2 agriculture teacher at the Hillville High School. This is really good insight for them to be able to pick up some knowledge around the wool industry. It's opened their eyes up into the opportunities through job pathways and opportunity for them into the future.
The program has been really great. It's been very insightful and has really helped us all get a knowledge around the merino wool industry, and we've all enjoyed doing all the tasks at school. It's been really fun.
Oh, it's great. It's a super interesting experience. We're learning so much today. It's really nice, yeah. So we just come across the property and we're getting some sheep, so it's really useful skills that I've learned today, yeah.
The main thing that we want these students to take away is that there are many opportunities in the sheep and wool industry for them to get involved in, and that's why we've got 7 different careers stall holders.
They're really interactive and want to know what you are actually talking about, so I think they've got the students down to a number of the ones that are actually interested. So each school's got 7 or 8 here. They're all focused on what you've got to say, and they've got questions to ask afterwards. So generally they've got questions, they're interested in what you're doing, and they're at that age where they've got to start thinking about what they are going to do for a job. So
our stall is all about the retail side of wool. So what happens right at the end of the process, when everything's spun and sheared and all ready to go, what you can find on the racks. Anything to do with getting young people involved in the process is amazing.
I feel like what I'd most get into is the sheep shearing, because that seems like a very interesting, fun way to go.
Well, they're great. Some of those kids are, obviously experienced and they know, what they're talking about. I have one kid who came up and he said, "I love plants." I was like, "So do I."
The workshops here for our students have been excellent, and judging of the sheep, it's been a real experience for our students to also see other sheep as well, and be able to compare them with what they've brought along themselves.
Well, that's what we're hoping that this program does. So it takes those young people that are sort of roughly year 9 to 11 age group and shows them all the different opportunities there are. And yes, we do have on the back of this students, for example, signing up to shearing schools after they've finished their schooling and getting involved in the wool industry and in agriculture more broadly, which is it's great to see. And we can see here the kids engaging really well